Today, my family thinks they can build and fly the perfect airplane. Only one of us walks away a winner. So this is us, the Hahns, doing our first competition, first challenge. Look at how colorful Charlotte made this. Ashton trying to be all precise. Then little Lincoln. What is she building there? Let's see. Oh, but Dad, look at that. Why is she helping him? Uh-oh, he ripped it. Look at those airplanes. I think they're about ready. All right, who's gonna win?
I don't know.
Is it gonna be you?
Maybe.
I don't know. I think it might be me. Lincoln! Lincoln, are you gonna win?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got plan A is my plane, and plan B, you'll see it.
Dad's gonna win because he's got the classic. Like butter.
All right, we're gonna do oldest to youngest, so Dad's first.
Erica's turn. Is that gonna help?
Go mark it up, boy.
Go mark it. Dang, you beat Charlotte. A loser. All right, comment on who you think looks the best. We have Mom's, Ashton's, Lincoln's, Dad's, and Charlotte's. Like and subscribe.